Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're back in Las Vegas, just a little bit off the Las Vegas Strip. We're on the northern end of the Strip here by the Palazzo, and today we're going to take a walk, I'm going to say 2 or 3 blocks east of the Las Vegas Strip to check out the MSG Sphere. The MSG Sphere Arena was announced in February 2018 and is being built in partnership between the Madison Square Garden Company and the Las Vegas Sands Corporation. The Sphere is located east of the Las Vegas Sands, Venetian and Palazzo resorts just off the Las Vegas Strip. The sphere-shaped venue has a capacity of 17,500 and features the world's largest LED screen. The property will include 304 parking spaces, and while that doesn't sound like a lot for, a 17,500 square foot arena, additional spaces will be available at parking garages by the nearby Venetian Palazzo and Sands Expo. And as you see, as we'll walk closer to the Sphere, you'll see that it's pretty much surrounded by parking, so the additional parking really didn't mean that much. This very large and beautiful venue was initially scheduled to open in 2001, but construction was suspended in April 2020 due to a disruption in the project's supply chain caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. Construction resumed later that year, with the opening rescheduled for 2023, and as we get closer to it, you'll see they're coming along quite nicely. This place is going to be amazing. Let's take a walk down the street a little bit and check out the MSG Sphere, shall we? Right now we're looking inside the Venetian Convention and Expo Center, formerly known as the Sands Expo. It's a convention center located right off the Strip. The Venetian Expo is owned by VC Properties and operated by Apollo Global Management. This Expo Center is frequently used for conventions booked at the company's adjoining Venetian and Palazzo resorts. It's also used as an overflow space for conventions that outgrow the Las Vegas Convention Center. The Expo opened in 1990.
This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
And a shout out to Deborah Camacho, who found Cabby in my latest New York City Vault video, a Union Square Park. Congratulations, Deborah. As you can see, the Las Vegas monorail runs directly along this property. There are no stops right now. The closest one's a couple blocks away, but I have a feeling eventually they will build a platform here for people to get on and off from this MSG Sphere. Now, obviously there's a lot of construction going on here, but I managed to poke my head and camera into a couple holes in this fence, so let's walk along this fence and see what's going on in there. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, why not give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, subscribe to the New York channel. Both really do help the channel out. Thanks. And if you're interested, this is what the completed MSG Sphere will look like once it's completed. The New York channel now has a new feature called Super Thanks. If you're watching this video, just look a little bit below the video, and hopefully normally where you click on that thumbs up, look a little bit to the right and you'll see a new button that says Thanks. Clicking on that Thanks button will give you, the viewer, the opportunity to leave a very colorful and noticeable highlighted comment on the video that you're watching, which will be pinned to the top of all other comments. And as my personal thanks to you, you'll receive a one-time animation while you're watching this video above the video, as again, personal thanks from me to you for giving me a super thanks. And of course, super thanks aren't required. They're just a great way to show me and others who are watching these videos how much you like to support the channel. This footage you're looking at now is actually from a previous visit to Las Vegas, and I just wanted to show you I'm on the actual Las Vegas monorail now, and we're going to go past the MSG Sphere. Just wanted to show you how close it actually gets to that sphere, and like I said, there's no station there right now, but it's just going to make sense to have a station there, and I'm sure they're going to consider it, considering how many people will be going in and out of that building in the near future.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.